how to use Super GROK AI for free. So if you want to use the Super GROK AI for free, then let me tell you that Super GROK AI is a premium version of GROK AI, which gives you access to more powerful features, faster responses, and fewer limits compared to the basic version. It's designed for users who want a better and more advanced AI experience. Now, normally, Super GROK is a paid subscription, but here's the good news. In some countries, it offers a 3-day free trial. This means you can access all the premium features without paying during that period. So, to use it for free, simply go to the upgrade or subscription section where Super GROK is offered. If the free trial is available in your region, you'll see an option to start the 3-day free trial. So log into your account, and once activated, you can enjoy all the advanced features of SuperGrow for free during those 3 days. After the trial ends, you can decide whether you continue with the subscription or cancel it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.